It's only natural to assume that the report of the Redistricting Commission, which the proposed bill implements, will meet with considerable trouble. In 1952, a commission appointed by the Assembly itself to study the matter of redistricting and bring in a report and recommendations for the guidance of the General Assembly met with, it just wasn't accepted. The Assembly, as a matter of fact, adjourned in March without having adopted that report or any other plan, and had to be reconvened that fall by Governor Battle, because the job had to be done in that year under the Constitution.